Alright, so whenever we create a while loop, there's three main things we need to check. Firstly, we need to check that we have initialized a variable. So let's create a variable I and set it to 0. So I is a variable of type integer, and it's going to be used as a counter inside our while loop. Alright, so let me go ahead and create my while loop here. And what you can see I've done there is typed out all the brackets that I'm going to need, just so I don't forget to add them in later. Okay, now let's add our loop condition in. So we'll make that I less than 10, and I'll explain that in a bit. Our last step is going to be modifying the variable, so let's increment I here. Okay, and maybe let's just add a print statement inside, which is simply going to print the counter I. Okay, so now that we've checked off all three steps, we can make sure that this while loop is going to run perfectly. Every time the while loop starts off here, it's going to check this condition, I less than 10. If that condition is true, it's going to carry out whatever's inside here, and it's going to increment I at the end of each execution. So this while loop is going to run about 10 times or so, and it's going to print out the numbers from 0 to 9 just before I hits 10. Okay, cool.